Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can get gestures navigation on Android. So this is on my Realme mobile and the operating system is Android 13. Okay, right now the navigation is with the buttons, the home button, the back button, and the recent tabs button. So, but instead of this buttons navigation, if you want to have gestures navigation, you can easily enable an option, and that's it. You'll have the gestures. To do that, click on the Android phone settings. Okay, under Android phone settings, you will be able to see a option called additional settings. Tap on this. Under additional settings, see here system navigations, which is currently set to buttons. Tap on this. Yeah, this is buttons. You need to set gestures. Yeah, radio button. That's it. See, as soon as I switch to gestures, these buttons are gone. So now everything I'll handle with this gestures. For example, if I open this Google Chrome, if I want to close it, I can swipe from screen bottom to top so that that recent active tab on the phone gets closed. See, I'll show you once more. Yeah. So how to get this back? I can swipe from left to right. See, yeah, this is how you can have the navigations of gestures on your Android mobile. If you don't see that additional options directly on the search, you can search a system navigation. So system navigation will get you to here so that you can enable this option. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.